How to send money from PayPal to Venmo. I'm gonna teach you how to send money from your PayPal account to Venmo with this tutorial. This action is real simple and only needs a few steps. First, you have to go to PayPal website, and after that, make sure you are signed in. On the main page, you'll see a send button on the top right of the page. Click on it. Then, you'll have the option to type the name, username, email, or phone number of the person you want to send the money to on Venmo. Then, click Next. Then you have to choose the amount you'd like to transfer. Then click Next again. After that, you have to choose between family and friends or for goods and services. Choose for family and friends, and you're done. Simple and easy.